Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Crypto Silent. Today I will share with you about a new brilliant project named as Percy. I will share all the details about this project. It is basically the OG meme coin of Percy based DeFi farm. I will share the detail in this video. So stay tuned and watch full video. If you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon so you will get a notification of my new videos in the future. So today I will share with you about the Percy. As you can see it here, it is given in this interface at Percy coming soon. It's Uniswap and base is given. You can contact them to their community by Twitter, Telegram, Dex tool, Dex screener, and white paper. I will give their details. You can join their community and be a part of their community and make money on it. The dollar Percy token is the OG meme coin of Percy's based DeFi farm, and it's about that basically the professor. So here this given, hi, I am a professor Percy Pig, not your average one, but an inventor, and you can see a visionary, different of art, science, and the great teacher of Pappy. So here they gives about that the it is the professor dollar Percy, the great teacher of Pappy, and it's not average swine. Watch my their flies peaks to the moon. So you can see it here, you can watch their flies peak to the moon here. So you can see, and it's written about that I am renowned for my revolutionary inventions, but I hold a secret. It's and basically a secret I need to get off my snout. So you can see it here. So now they are talking about that. This is a Professor Percy Pig, which is given here. You can see their picture, which is given here, and it have basically a good teacher. It's not an average swine, but you can fly pigs to the sea. You can watch it too, and you can see it here. They have great teacher of Pappy, and it will give the brilliant advice here. It also have the secret, and you can see it hold its secret. So you can see cryptocurrency Bitcoin, their price goes up. You can see they are the students, and this is the Professor Percy Pig, and you can see it so further I will share with you about the contract address, which is the TBA, and you can see they have the total supply, which is 1 billion, which is given here. They have from that supply they will give 5% to their team, and no, they have no tax, which is a good point here, that they have no tax. You can see it here, there is no tax. That if anyone who doesn't have any tax, you will get maximum profit in it too. So as you can see it here, liquidity is locked here. Marketing and CS listing is 10%. Mint and freeze revoked is given. You can see it here. So now further it have the basically the roadmap here, and it is an on car basically of a secret that they need to get off my snout. And you can see you have to stay tuned, follow their roadmap closely. They will reveal, they change everything you thought you knew. So they have the roadmap Big Can Fly. You can see Pig's Ales, and you can see they have the story of Professor Percy, secret reveal in phase 3, and you will see 4 hog harvest Percy Daffy farming game will be launched in phase 4. So must now follow them their roadmap closely. They will reveal change with you thought and the new. So further you can see it here, they have launch alert launching, and on the base you can see they have the white paper Percy's based Daffy farm is given. They have the fairest of launches. They have no pre-sale, transparent and open to all. 85% of the token community. They will basically give back 5% for exchange and 10% for the team. The build, the Daffy, the best game on the base. So they're the basically white paper. Welcome to the Percy based Daffy farm, the fourth installment of the dollar Percy roadmap. Discover the thrill of the gamified decentralized finance on the base blockchain. What make us unique, and they have told that what make them unique from other projects. They have immersive DeFi game, which is a good point. They have plant, grow, harvest. You can make your crypto as the manage you expand your land, and they have also engaged staking and farming. And user use a dollar Percy tokens to stake claims. They will grow their resources and increase their influence within the game economy. So further if I go here, they have basically the contract details, and also that how you can basically buy it. So you can see it here. Step one is bag your ETH. You have to get an ETH, and after that load Ethereum on your base wallet. It's your golden ticket to buy the pig pen. So step 2 is you have to bridge your ETH or send it to the from CX. You have to get it into the Coinbase or Binance, and you have to pull your ETH from Coinbase or Binance direct to the base. And the way 2 is about the bridge that ETH to the base domain at the bridge base of which is G deposit. So you can see there they have the contact address which is the TBA here. Now you can see it step 3 is given which is swap ETH for dollar per se. You can jump to the Uniswap as it will be listed on it, and you can switch your wallet to basically Coinbase network and swap your ETH for Percipig with the contract address above which is a TBA. So you can see step 4 is given lock in that swap, and you can get maximum profit as the price is low at that time, but it will go above. They are liquidity lock which is ensuring their security and stability. They have large liquidity pool which is built to the sustain and grow. You can see it here. Now I will share with you about their white paper, their strategic vision, and their roadmap by visiting the Percy based DeFi basically farm white paper. You can see it here. You can also check their website, and you can get to know about the Percy, the big official site. Their giveaways are coming soon. Stay active in their community to win big as part of their tokens, and they will release and the utility rollout. They have warm up giveaway. You can check it here on the basically different things. I will share it with you, and you can see it here. So further, I will share with you about their white paper. You can see Percy the base DeFi gaming white paper. They have the background objective. They have setting the scene. Everything is given game mechanism, tokenomics. They have community roadmap, and all the faces is given here. You can see it here, and you can further know about it too. And I will share with you about the roadmap too. And in this video too, I'll share it with you in this video as the website too. You can read their token and farm and staking. You can get to know more about them. Embark on the adventure. They have game mechanism here. You can see that integration is given. They have all the details which must be known by the customer, by the holder, and you can see they have total supply which is given here, and design underpin the game economy. They have fair launch distribution. 85% is for the public and reward, and other 10% for team and advisory. Centralized exchange listing 5%. You can see it here. Economic mechanism is given. Staking and yield farming. You can get player can stake dollar per se and character token to earn reward from here. They have token utilization. Dollar per se token are basically used for in-game activities like asset upgrade sector. They have reward system here. All the other things are given. You can read their details here. So further, if I go, I will share with you about their basically another giveaways, and they have the further I will share with you about their warm-up giveaway here. You can see it here. So here they tell about the giveaway etc which is given here on the Twitter. Dollar Percy on base would like to announce a greedy giveaway. So they have dollar 100 USDT plus 1 lakh basically here. The dollar Percy tokens winner announced within 24 hours. You can see it here. They are going to make their an offer, and you can see you have to go and like. If you want to be eligible, you have to like, you have to repost, you have to tag friends and comment on this post. As you can see it here, the hawk father which is given here. You can see it here. They are going to make him an offer, and he cannot refuse. You can be eligible on it by doing like to this post. You have to repost it. You have to tag your friend and comment on it, and you can be eligible for this offer, for this giveaway, which is dollar 100 USDT plus 1 lakh dollar per C token. As the price will goes up and you can make money on it. You can explore their roadmap too. You can also be their partnership, and you can see dollar per C plays a basically role in our in their basically gaming system. Enable trading, staking, and the upgrading of digital asset. You can see all their this is given dollar per C token. You can be able to buy it, and further you can join them on their community like on Twitter, Telegram. So you can get to know about more about them, and you can join Professor Percy Pick the future of base, and you can be able to ready to discover their untold secret of Dollar Percy, and you can get to know them. If you want to go and join them on their community, you can also join them on Telegram. They have the basically channel on Telegram. You can join them, and you can also join them on Twitter. The different news are given here. You can easily be able to be a part of their community, and it is a very good project. Must do your own research before investing in it. And if you like my video, give thumbs up, must subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.